Hello! This is the set of small lectures about fast prototyping. Today we're going to talk about fastening using that kind of things. Amongst the ages, several solutions have been used once after another in order to fasten parts together. At the beginning, people were using that kind of things. It's actually wooden dowel. It's very easy to do. You can do it using even a small knife. And you can fasten two parts of wood together by drilling a hole into these two parts, and then by using that fastener, wooden dowel, in order to be able to fasten the part together. This is very used in old carpentry, both in all over the world, but especially in Japan, France, and Central Europe. Once humans managed to work with metal, they've been beginning to build that kind of thing. So nail. This is an old nail that I found around my house. It's probably centuries old. At that time, it was made by the hammersmith. So you were heating some metal and then using the work of the hammersmith doing that kind of nail. It's a bit different from the modern nail that are made with a wire that is lately cut and prepared on that side. While the hammersmith was working on that nail, it was quite easy to heat it sufficiently and then turn it like that. And by doing that, we had a movement in between the nail and the screw. So actually, the first screw was an old nail modified by the hammersmith. Today, we've got that kind of very evoluted stuff. This is actually a bolt. It's made of a screw and a nut. Nut, screw, bolt. And talking about fast prototyping, this is definitely what we are looking for. It's fast, it's resettable, and it's removable. So, actually, when you're doing fast prototyping and you got access to that kind of things, you're saved because it got all the quality we need, and it actually can be also used not only for fast prototyping, but for building things. So this is definitely the right solution for engineering. Thanks for watching. See you later.